Let's look at some hot peppers. This is an Italian pepper that someone gave us some plants of, real slender. It's like a chili type. There's a variety fish. You can see the variegation on the foliage really well, and the peppers themselves have variegation. Sorry, it's not as easy to see. There's one that's got it really nicely. This is Jamaican hot chocolate. You get a sense for how heavily these peppers set. This is the variety Daddle, which has the typical characteristic curly leaf foliage, and it's just starting to set fruit. It looks unhealthy, but it seems to always grow like that. This in here is New Mex Heritage 6-4. It's just lots of peppers set in there. This is Ghost. Whoops. This right here is Golden Habanero from a friend, just starting to set fruit. Here we have another Sri Lankan variety called Malumiris. You see the peppers are kind of a lime green wrinkly shape. They turn an orange red. And we'll now move over to another area where I've got hot peppers. So right here we've got Facing Heaven, and you can see where the fruit is starting to go red. This is Bulgarian Carrot. The color of these really jump out at you. It's a beautiful pepper. This is Little Nubian, and lots of peppers coming in there. They look like a miniature black bell pepper. This is a Hot Paper Lantern. Now that's a lot of peppers. It's a Hab type. This is the Orange Bell crossed with a Hot. And you can see there's a lot of fruit in there. I don't know what color they're going to end up, or whether they'll be hot or not. This is the Daddle cross from last year that had a purple stem and the fruit are green. Here is Peruvian Purple. It's got tons of black fruit. This is one of my own varieties called Gemstone. Here's the legendary Peter pepper, forming some of its legendary Peters. And we'll see if we can get a look at this in here. This is Bolivian Rainbow, starting to show some of the different colors that the peppers can turn on the plant. And this is Spectral, which sort of does the same thing. So if we move into the other row, just in front of it, this is Golden Cayenne. This is the plant that the frog was having a nap on. They're going from green to bright yellow. This is Golden Nugget, and one of the peppers in there is going its final color, which is a bright yellow orange. Here's a well-known one, Variegata. This is the one that I had labeled jalapeno. Don't know what it is yet. Could be Jamaican hot chocolate. And this is the Daddle cross that has the white stem, and it's showing, of course, fruit that have a purple blush in the sun. That's interesting. There's Trithetti down there. This is Vietnamese multicolor, starting to show some of the different colors in the peppers. Opening into a tomato here. This is what Chinese 5-color does. You can see some of them are starting to go creamy to orange. This guy right here is Phileas Blue, with a variegated foliage and lots of peppers in there. This is billy goat looking the way it should. Little top-shaped peppers, and this is a cross of pretty and purple. Peppers are the right shape, but they're not the right color. And I'm not going to describe all of these, but these are the peppers from the project that I do, where I just look at a bunch of these each year and just pan down the rows. You can see some of the different colors that we're getting. It's a really pretty one in there. But these are all from different hybrids. Probably Black Pearl is one of them that I play around with each year and grow out ones that show different foliage color. They're ornamentals, but they're edible. There's a really nice one in there, turning all kinds of colors. Different plant heights, different fruit shapes. I do like this one a lot. And if we look up at the next row, you can just see the incredible variation. This is a really neat one. This is a variegated one where the variegation on the peppers is white and green and lavender. And I'm sure some of these are from crosses with fish. You can just see the incredible diversity of foliage color, and fruit shape. And check this out. Just really pretty peppers.